Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Hyatt Inclusive Collection application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So first, just search for a hotel. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then just click on the language button. And as you can see, there are two options that you can choose from, English or Spanish. So just click on the one that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.